Woo woo. G Unit. We got them semi-automatics, we got them revolvers, we them niggas you should get at if you got a problem. Man, that's just all. They got them M1s and they all for sale. Got that 9mm, got that 10mm, got that little deuce and they all for sale. Got that old tray pound, got that new 4 pound. They been used once or twice and they all for sale. Why dang? Dang, I'm the reason them things in my hood go bang. I got that trade deuce, I call that my nigga behave. 16 gauge, case you niggas wanna get crazy. Yeah. Sawed off, hit your body parts, they fall off. You get hit in the leg, man, you can't even crawl off. When that AK switch to automatic to spray, everybody out this bitch could get hit with a stray. I got silencers, scopes, military issue pistols. Holla at me, whatever you need, homie, I could get you a gig. Got rubber grips, hollow tips, extra clips. You don't want your shit to jam, better buy a cleaning kit. Teflon, Kevlar, need to wrap it around your chest. You pop off, they pop back, and you get left a bloody mess. Mac 11, Mac 10, time for some action. Dump a clip out this bitch, see how niggas actin'. Got guns and ammo, they all for sale, clips included. I'm responsible for your bail. We got them semi-automatics, we got them revolvers, we them niggas you should get at if you got a problem. When them hollow tips hit a man, that's just all. We got them Lucas, them M1s and they all for sale. Got that 9mm, got that 10mm, got that little deuce and they all for sale. Got that old tray pound, got that new 4 pound. They been used once or twice and they all for sale. Let me trap that walking for my getaway. All I need is a G and somewhere safe to stay. Can't use the phone cause I'm sure someone's tapping in. Did it before, ain't scared to use my gat again. I look back in hindsight, the fight was irrelevant. But now he's the devil's friend, late to me telling him. He shot first, now be damned if I run away. Homie, he's done away, I should've put my gun away. I wasn't thinking, all I heard was the ridicule. Girlies was laughing too, saying homies dissing you. Fired my weapon, started stepping in the hurricane. I got shot, so I dropped, feeling the burst of pain. Got to my feet, couldn't see nothing but bloody blood. Now I'm a fugitive, be hunted like a murderer. Ran through an alley, still looking for my getaway. Coppers say freeze, or you'll be dead today. Trapped in a corner, dark, and I couldn't see the lights. We got those semi-automatics, we got the revolvers, we them niggas you should get at if you got a problem. When them hollow tips hit a man, that's just all. We got them Lucas, them M1s and they all for sale. Got that 9mm, got that 10mm, got that little deuce and they all for sale. Got that old tray pound, got that new 4 pound. They been used once or twice and they all for sale. Yeah, man. Y'all niggas.
Finalmente chegamos.